Scene script. Ever wondered if robots could replace humans entirely in the future? As we delve into the 21st century, robots are becoming increasingly commonplace in our lives. From self-driving cars to automated checkout systems, we are witnessing an era where technology is reshaping our world. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real question is, could robots replace humans entirely in the future? Imagine a world where robots perform the majority of jobs. From the healthcare sector to the creative arts, no profession is immune. Could a robot potentially perform surgery with more precision than a human surgeon? Or create an artwork with the same emotional depth as a human artist? It's a thought-provoking prospect. This isn't just speculation. We're already seeing the rise of automation in various sectors. For example, in manufacturing, robots are taking over tasks that were once performed by humans, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. In agriculture, drones are being used to monitor crops and livestock, saving time and resources. Even in the service industry, we're seeing the emergence of robot waiters and bartenders. But it's not just about replacing humans in the workforce. Robots are also becoming integrated into our everyday lives. Think about the last time you asked Siri or Alexa for the weather update, or used a Roomba to clean your floors. These are all examples of how robots are making our lives easier and more convenient. And then there's the advancement in robotics technology. We're seeing robots that can walk, talk, and even express emotions. These advancements are making robots more human-like, further blurring the line between man and machine. But amidst all these developments, it's important to remember that robots are tools created by humans to serve humans. They are a testament to our creativity and innovation. While they may replace certain jobs, they also create new opportunities and possibilities that we can't even imagine yet. But how close are we really to this robotic future? To understand where we're going, we need to understand where we have come from. This is exceptionally true when it comes to the world of robotics. The history of robots is a journey that takes us back to the ancient world. The first robots, if you will, were the automata. These were self-operating machines, often used for entertainment, and they were a marvel of their time. Ancient Greeks and Egyptians were known for their complex automata, which could perform intricate tasks like serving wine or even simulate the human body's movements. Fast forward a few centuries to the time of the Industrial Revolution. This was a pivotal period in the history of robotics. The advent of steam power and later electricity opened up new possibilities for machine automation. The first industrial robot, the Jacquard loom, was introduced in the early 19th century. This machine could weave complex patterns, following instructions from punched cards, a precursor to modern computing. Then came the 20th century, a time of rapid technological advancement. The term robot was first coined in 1920 in a play by Czech writer Karel Čapek. But it wasn't until the 1950s that the first programmable robot, named Unimate, was introduced. This ushered in the era of modern robotics. The late 20th and early 21st centuries have seen a surge in robotic development. Robots are now used in a variety of fields, from manufacturing and healthcare to space exploration and even domestic chores. Key inventions like Boston Dynamics' bipedal robots, iRobot's Roomba, and the Mars rovers have changed our perception of what robots can do. In the last decade, there has been a significant push towards making robots more human-like, both in appearance and functionality. The development of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies has played a crucial role in this transformation. And now, we find ourselves at the cusp of a new era, where robots are not just tools, but potential companions and co-workers. The history of robots is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity, and it's exciting to think about where we're headed next. So, where are we now in the realm of robotics? Well, we're in an exciting era where robots are no longer confined to the realms of science fiction, but are a part of our everyday reality. Today, robots are everywhere, performing tasks that range from the mundane to the extraordinary. They're in our factories, in our hospitals, and even in our homes, working alongside us and in some cases replacing us. Let's start with the industrial sector. Here, robots have been an integral part of the manufacturing process for decades. Industrial robots, with their precision and efficiency, have revolutionized assembly lines. They can tirelessly perform repetitive tasks with a speed and accuracy that far exceeds human capabilities. Whether it's assembling cars, packaging goods, or handling hazardous materials, these mechanical marvels have become indispensable. In the healthcare sector, robotics has entered with a bang. Surgical robots, for instance, have transformed the field of medicine. These high-tech helpers allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with an unprecedented level of precision and control. And let's not forget about robotic prosthetics that are giving people a new lease on life. Then we have service robots. These are the robots that we're most likely to encounter in our day-to-day lives. They clean our floors, mow our lawns, and even serve us drinks. They're in our shops, our hotels, and increasingly, our homes. Some are even designed to provide companionship and care, particularly for the elderly and people with disabilities. And finally, there are social robots. These are designed to interact with humans in a more personal way. They can recognize faces, understand speech, exhibit emotions, and carry out conversations. They're the closest thing we have to the robots of our sci-fi dreams. So, from industrial powerhouses to empathetic companions, the current state of robotics is nothing short of astounding. With such a diverse range of applications, it's clear that robots are here to stay. But what does the future hold for robots and humans? It's a question that many of us have pondered as we witness the rapid advancements in robotics. In the future, we can expect to see robots with increased artificial intelligence. Today's robots are already capable of performing complex tasks, and with the continued development of AI, they are likely to become even more sophisticated. Imagine robots that can fully understand and respond to human language, or robots that can learn and adapt to their environment, much like humans do. We can also anticipate more sophisticated physical capabilities in robots. We can look forward to robots that can perform intricate tasks, such as performing surgery or creating works of art. We might even see robots that can replicate human movements with remarkable precision. Imagine a world where robots can dance, play sports, or even perform in a symphony orchestra. But perhaps the most intriguing and controversial aspect of the future of robots is the possibility of them gaining consciousness. This concept, while still firmly in the realm of science fiction, is not entirely far-fetched. If robots can learn and adapt, could they one day become self-aware? Could they develop emotions, desires, and a sense of self? These are questions that continue to fascinate and perplex scientists and philosophers alike. However, as fascinating as these advancements may be, they also present us with many ethical and societal challenges. For instance, if robots gain consciousness, how should we treat them? Should they have rights? And what about the impact on jobs and the economy? As robots become more capable, there's the potential for job displacement on a massive scale. So, while the future of robotics is certainly exciting, it's also a future that demands careful consideration and thoughtful discussion. It's a future that challenges us to think deeply about what it means to be human and how we want to coexist with our robotic counterparts. The future of robots is exciting, yet it also presents us with many ethical and societal challenges. So, are robots set to replace humans entirely? This is a question that has been at the forefront of our minds as we've journeyed from the dawn of robotics to their current state and potential future. But, as we've discovered, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. We've delved into the fascinating history of robots, from their humble beginnings as automated machines to the sophisticated artificial intelligence-equipped entities we see today. They've come a long way, and there's no doubt that these advancements have had a significant impact on our society. We've also taken a look at the current state of robotics. Robots are now integrated into many aspects of our lives, from manufacturing and healthcare to education and entertainment. But, while they're becoming more advanced, it's important to remember that there are still many roles they cannot fulfill. Robots may be able to perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, but they lack the emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex problem-solving skills that we possess. They can't empathize with a patient, write a heart-touching poem, or come up with an innovative solution to a complex problem. They're tools designed to assist us, not replace us. And as we've peeked into the future of robots, we've seen that they're set to become even more integrated into our lives. But again, this doesn't mean they'll replace us. Rather, they'll enhance our lives, helping us to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately. So while it's exciting to imagine a world where robots are an everyday part of our lives, it's crucial to remember that they are not a substitute for human roles. It's about finding a balance between utilizing robotic technology and maintaining our unique human qualities. While robots continue to evolve, it's clear that they are tools to enhance our lives, not replace them. The future is not just about robots, it's about us. we must remember to embrace the advancements in robotics, but also cherish and value the irreplaceable aspects of being human.